Well, hello everybody. We're just about ready to start up on our way down to Florida. So let's go ahead and do that. Co-pilot, why don't you go ahead and start engine number 2. Glad we packed yesterday. Boy, I tell you, it always takes more time to get out the door. There's just so much to do. So we'll be landing at night, that's for sure.
I'm driving with you, but I'm going to let you do it.
Okay. All right, give me a right turn. You do it, taxi.
I'm low-key really scared to drive after how many times I crashed in the simulator.
Simulator. Well, the simulator is hard to fly, actually. Harder than the plane.
It's really sensitive.
Okay.
Wait, is this just me?
That's you. I want you to straighten her out and pull. Just go straight, but not past the fuel trucks. I'll call ground.
Alrighty. I can't brake though.
Okay, I can.
Am I straight?
Yes.
Alrighty.
Maybe come a little bit left, so
Yeah.
our wing isn't even close to the fuel trucks. Republic ground, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, Bravo with Bravo out of Atlantic, ready to taxi.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie ground, runway 32 taxi at Bravo Bravo 5, cross runway 1 Alpha.
So 32 Bravo Bravo 5, cross runway 1 at Alpha 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you. All right, your plane, you taxi, come left a little bit. Just a hair. Actually, maybe you are on center line. Okay.
Hard to tell.
Bravo 5, okay.
Yeah, I think I'm on center line, maybe a little bit left.
Yeah, so come this way.
I am.
But
I do a little bit.
Yeah. This is the right speed to taxi. You don't have to be in a rush to taxi.
Especially if you're bad at steering like me.
You're not bad at steering, don't be silly.
On flight sim I am.
On the flight sim, yeah, well that's because the controls aren't good. Come a little bit left, please. That looks like, from my parallax, okay, that looks like you're right on center line, right? Does that look like right on center line for you?
Yeah.
Okay, keep that. All right. All right, so we're going to be behind this Gulf Stream. So we have to look where he lifts off. We have to lift off before he does, which should not be a problem. He should take a lot more runway than us. So briefing the departure again. Runway heading 32. And it'll be after takeoff, it's, I can feel the wind. I'll hold the yoke.
That's the wind?
Yeah, that's the wind.
Oh
Sitting the rudder. Well, that happens. So let's pay attention to where he rotates. We want to rotate before that.
Yeah.
Because he's going to create what's called wingtip vortices, okay? And you don't want to be underneath them.
Oh.
We might actually give it a little bit of like a minute. It's not crowded. We'll give the... So I'm going to use the counter here. Rotated, not rotated. He took off at... looks like at about runway 1, maybe a little bit after it.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 1 of MT departure, flight runway heading, wind 26019, gust 26, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff and on departure runway heading, you said, not 10 degrees?
HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, yeah. Runway heading and expect radar vectors for wavy.
Okay, runway heading and we'll expect vectors, runway 32, we're taking off and roger the wind, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Yeah, current wind 26011, gust 26.
Roger that. Okay. And we can see it from the windsock. And I can feel the ailerons. But there's nothing better than the simple windsock. That's why they have them on the end of the runways. Notice there's no rush, never rush. Well, there's times when you got to move fast, but it's best when you don't have to move fast to just do everything methodically and slow. Slow is fast, and fast is usually slow, which is ironic, but true. Okay, I do a full stop. Okay. Waiting for the engines to get to the carrots, they're there. Okay, now my feet are off the brakes and on the rudders. We're holding center line. Speed cross checks, they're both coming up.
Yep.
Okay. Put that aileron into the wind, and there's V1, and there's rotation. Okay, 2 good engines, and you can feel me crabbing into the wind, right?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Okay, gears coming up.
769, go
MCT, and
and
flaps are coming up.
Wind 27014, gust 26, runway 32, clear for takeoff, northeast approved.
Alright, northeast approved, clear for takeoff 32, 9 Golf Alpha.
Or just flew
HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, continue running, heading New York 125.7, good day.
25-7, New York, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Happy New Year.
You too. Switch freaks and heading. And autopilot. Okay. Low power. Notice I didn't call New York yet. First I'm stabilizing the plane. We're runway heading. Climbing.
Speed target.
Okay. Now I'll call New York. Hello, New York, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 2,400 feet for 3,000, runway heading.
430 Delta Charlie, New York departure, radar contact, turn left heading 180, climb maintain 12,000.
Left, 180, 12,000, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you. Okay, left. 80, dial that in. And can you dial in the 12,000?
Yup. Oops, wrong way.
Okay.
12,000, you said?
Yep. Okay. All right, it's doing the left turn, and it is starting the climb. Holding back a little bit power until we get the climb going. Okay, there's the climb. All right, now to MCT. Now look at all that traffic. Everything's in the green. Okay,
Yes.
Flaps are up. Gear is up. Thrust levers are MCT. Going through my checklist. Flight guidance is good. Negative ice protection.
240 to maintain 4,000.
240 down to 4,000.
Pressurization. Let's check that. It is pressurizing.
40 Delta Charlie, proceed direct wavy.
Ice protection coming on for a second. Direct wavy, 0 Delta Charlie, thank you.
Mike William Hotel, contact final 132.4.
Direct wavy now. Okay, ice protection coming off.
Cayman 915 heavy, turn right heading 270 to set maintain 5,000.
Very good.
Heading 270 down to 5 times. That's going to Aviation 915.
It's always busy taking off from this New York Metro airspace.
With you 1 to 12,000, pop, understand.
Fast climbs, fast
We are going
turns.
to gate 29. We don't have any information at this point. The in-flight's is getting it for us.
So the pressurization's good.
What's quicker for you? You want the 3 on right?
Yeah, that would be great.
Triple 2029, proceed direct Maldi, and you can descend and maintain 9 or 1,000 at your discretion.
Direct Maldi down to 9,000 at our discretion for Joby 2289.
Climbing up to
0 Delta
12,000.
Charlie, contact New York Center 128.3.
New York Center 283, 0 Delta Charlie, Happy New Year.
2.
283, 0, 2830. Did that? That's my little, done it.
We did it.
I did it. Hello, New York, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, 9,800 feet, 12,000 for 12,000.
HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie, New York Center, climbing to 14,000.
14,000, HondaJet 0 Delta Charlie, thank you. I'll dial that in for us. You take your photos. Right to climb 2,300 feet a minute. Nice.
Speed
2,500
target.
feet a minute. Okay. Now we can go to 270 on the speed.
430 Delta Charlie, what's your airspeed?
I'm currently 215. I'm going to accelerate to 270 knots.
430 Delta Charlie, maintain 270 knots or greater, please.
My max is 270.
Sorry, maintain 270.
We'll go 0 Delta Charlie. That's probably for traffic. You know what's bad about doing the YouTubes is that, you know, we can't do the music, so I think, you know, if I sing,
JetBlue 753
Oh, no, no.
normal.
I don't know, I think the audience should vote on that.
No, I don't think they would like that.
Come me sing On the Road Again. I know like the first verse.
What even is that?
On the road again.
That's enough.
Willie Nelson.
What?
It's a song.
753, flight 195.
I've never heard of that song.
753.
You're a young'un. So, we got everything set up. We're landing runway 9. RNAV approach.
Okay.
Here's the approach.
975, contact approach 128.3.
128.3, 975.
RNAV 9. There's the approach plate. They're going to bring us down over here.
Number 430 Delta Charlie, descend to maintain 4,000.
Yeah, 4,000 for 0 Delta Charlie. Thank you.
342 Uniform Sierra, Palm Beach 500, advise altitude changes, altimeter 2995.
You know this stuff. Really learning it.
And altimeter 2995. 342
Low power.
83, just 830.
Number 0 Delta Charlie, contact Miami approach 126.05.
26050 Delta Charlie.
2605.
Look at you.
Zero Delta Charlie, contact tower 120.9.
Over to tower 120.9 0 Delta Charlie.
Hey, runway in sight. Do you see it? Look out straight.
Yeah, I see it.
Right. And you see that light?
Yeah, I see
That's
it.
called the rabbit. Right. The other night when I had to come home and it was at minimums. I couldn't see the runway. I saw the rabbit at minimums, and that guided me into the runway.
Ah.
Right. Let me just give them a call.
All right.
We're Fort Lauderdale Executive.
Fort Lauderdale Executive, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie inbound on the RNAV 9 approach, runway in sight, 2,000 feet.
430 Delta Charlie Executive Tower on 1805, runway 9 cleared to land. Number 2, traffic the Saberliner, 2 mile final.
Roger the Saberliner, and we're in trail and clear to land 0 Delta Charlie.
All right, let's go ahead and notch your flaps.
Tower Galaxy.
Just one?
I'm on approach.
Okay.
Just waiting for it to.
Alpha Executive Tower, continue inbound, runway 9.
Continue inbound.
And go ahead and drop gear.
Contact moment departure.
Going to departure.
Gear coming down. Gear is in transit. We got one notch
Yeah,
of flaps.
I see it. I'm watching the deers.
Okay, 3
There we
green.
go.
Okay, 3 green. Okay. It's right on glide slope. I'm going to pull some power now because we want to get to that next notch of flaps. We have to get under 160 plus our VREF is 110. Okay, give me landing flaps, please, Captain. Okay. Flaps in transit. You can feel the nose go down, right?
Yeah.
Right? Now remember, you learned, so flaps are to give us a slower landing speed.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to ease in some power. Okay. See, we're approaching VREF. We're not at VREF. Feet are now coming to a little bit of power now. Probably like 40 something to hold. All right. So I want to be at VREF right over the numbers. Okay. Autopilot still engaged. We're going to kick it off here in a minute.
Monarch Mike with, you say parking?
We're exiting here on Fox 9, but we'll go to the end and turn.
Monarch Mike with, Roger, turn left to the end.
115, we want 110 over the numbers.
Happy New Year.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
A little bit of power out now. Good. You'll stay with me on the controls. It'll be my plane, but you can feel the controls of me.
Cleared to land. Number 2, traffic's a HondaJet on a 2 mile final.
Clear to land, and number 2, runway 9, 0 Bravo.
112, we want 110 over the numbers.
500.
500. Autopilot off. Continuing. A little bit of power, and goes up here. Looking good. 110. Right on it. 110. Right on it.
Minimums.
11. Okay, power's going to ease out. Power's coming out. Power's at idle. Gears down, gears down. Center line at 1,000 foot. Okay, brakes, and this time I'll throw out the speed brake for giggles.
4,000.
4,000. That is a good landing.
That was nice.
Right on center line.
0 Delta Charlie, say parking.
Banyan.
0 Delta Charlie, turn right next taxiway, contact ground.
Right here over the ground, 0 Delta Charlie.
The next guy to land is going to Banyan North.
Roger.
I think that's Banyan over there.
Banyan? I love Banyan.
Yeah.
I have a t-shirt from here.
Let me get past this. Hold on. Destination, ground, X-ray.
Ground, HondaJet 430 Delta Charlie to Banyan.
430 Delta Charlie, executive ground. Taxi via Golf Echo, Bravo, Bravo 2, cross runway 13 at Echo.
Oh, you want a taxi?
Yeah, I have been. Low-key, but you've been stealing it from me.
I would say right here.
Central Aircraft 8 is Oscar's current at
I'm not
executive.
gonna help you with the brakes.
2995, wind 170 at 4.
Okay, now let's look for the line. Okay, there's a follow me.
Is it the golf cart?
Yeah, but let's
You
look
gotta
left
do
and
that.
right. Yeah, okay. My brakes, my plane.
Yep, you.
Let's look over there and go right. Okay. Hard right now. Okay. Okay. This place has jets out the wazoo. There's a fuel truck. I'm gonna go a little wider, that fuel truck.
Yeah.
Something about hitting a fuel truck, that would not be a good day. Swing it around, he says. Okie dokie, we can swing it around.
Yeah, that would be...
This plane turns on a dime. Oh, I see what he wants us to do.
Ooh.
Very cool, very cool.
Okay.
These linemen are on it.
These guys are low-key,
women. Linemen and women. Okay, brakes here.
These guys are low-key better than some of the Oshkosh linemen.
Yeah, there's a line woman there.
You can guarantee all the ones from here go to Oshkosh because they're that good.
They're that good. All right, thanks for joining us on the flight. I hope the video comes out good. I know when it gets dark, it gets grainy. That's not our fault. That's the little sensors in the GoPros, but we do the best we can. You still get some good footage.